Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Do you know how to produce sugar from sugar beets? Join me to explore this harvesting and processing process. Sugar is a simple carbohydrate, commonly used to sweeten foods and drinks. Sugar can be found naturally in sources such as fruits, sugarcane, radishes, berries, coconut flowers, and some other plants. However, sugar beets and sugarcane are sources of sugar because they have the highest percentage of sucrose of all plants. So how do we turn beets into sugar? To successfully grow sugar beets, choosing a location and preparing the soil is the most important step. The soil needs to be well drained and rich in nutrients, with a pH of 6.5 to 7.5. Next, farmers use a seeder, an important equipment in agriculture helping to increase efficiency and uniformity in the sowing process for crops. The structure of the machine includes a grain container, grain distribution system, and wheels or rollers. During movement, seeds are distributed from the container to the soil through the seed distribution system. This system can be designed to distribute seeds at distances between rows, usually about 30 cm to 60 cm, and between plants within rows ranging from 10-15 cm. The density of radishes for sugar harvesting is about 40,000, 60,000 seeds had ha. Plant care is an important next step. Beets need to be watered regularly. Beets need enough moisture to grow. However, ensure that the soil is not overwatered, as this can cause the radishes to rot and cause growth problems. Light is also extremely important because plants need photosynthesis to grow. Did you know that this process takes place in the leaf cells of sugar beet plants, where enzymes and complex chemical reactions occur to create glucose, the main sugar used as an energy source for plants? The tree itself can absorb about 20% of sugar, and at the same time it also produces O2 in a large volume, enough for 100 people to breathe all year. The development process of tuber plants for harvest will last about 10-12 months after planting. This time usually ensures the tubers have reached the ideal size and weight. Before starting to harvest, it is necessary to check and prepare equipment such as harvesters, tractors, and tuber cutting tools. When harvesting, specialized sugar beet harvesters are used to remove leaves and lift the tubers from the ground. This process needs to be done carefully to avoid damage to the tubers and ensure they do not spoil. Once harvested, sugar beets need to be transported quickly to the processing site to ensure quality is not impaired. At the factory, the final and most important conversion process will take place, from beets to refined sugar. First, the sugar beets are washed over a large pipe to remove any impurities such as mud, worms, etc. that may exist on the surface. Next, the beets are cut and minced to prepare for the extraction process. Chopping and grinding increases the area exposed to the extraction solution and reduces the time and energy required for the extraction process. The juice extraction process is usually done through a combination of hot water or steam, where the raw sugar-containing juice is separated from the beets. The raw juice, after being extracted, contains sugars and other dissolved substances that are collected and passed through mechanical and chemical filtration systems to remove large and small impurities. Next, the dehydration process begins. The raw juice will be heated to separate the excess water by evaporation. Once the water has been separated, the pure sugar is recovered and collected, then passed through further processes for drying and packaging. Through every step in the process, precision and strict control ensure that the final product is pure sugar and safe for consumption.
We genuinely appreciate your support and enthusiasm. Your continued viewership means the world to us, and we are committed to providing valuable content that enriches your knowledge and endeavors. Thank you wholeheartedly for being a part of our community.